If you're trying to avoid harsh chemicals around your home and yard like I am, you need to see this. As a cancer survivor, I become a lot more careful about the products I use around my family, pets, and yard. I really didn't want to keep spraying toxic weed killers everywhere, but I was also tired of weeds taking over my garden beds. Then my landscaper told me about this highly concentrated 45% vinegar and said, trust me, this stuff works. I didn't believe him, but I had to give it a try. And wow, this is seriously powerful. This is the 5-Star Materials Resources 45% concentrated vinegar, and you get a huge gallon container. It's industrial strength, made in the USA, biodegradable, bleach-free, and designed for cleaning, outdoor use, patios, driveways, and weed control when diluted properly. What I love is that you can customize the strength depending on what you're using it for. I'll put in the recipe for the weed mix that I made here. This is not your average kitchen vinegar, so be careful. Actually, little warning here. Do not set this down on your grass like I did because, oops, it killed the grass instantly. Lesson learned. But honestly, that showed me just how strong this stuff really is. It makes me feel so much better knowing I'm using something biodegradable instead of constantly spraying mystery ingredients everywhere. And if you're worried it'll be complicated to use, it's not. It takes about a minute to mix. You just pour it into an industrial sprayer and you're ready to go. This has completely changed how I handle weeds and outdoor cleaning around my house. It saves me money, reduces the amount of toxic products I'm bringing home, and honestly, just gives me peace of mind. If you've been looking for a more natural but still super effective solution for weeds and outdoor cleaning, this is absolutely worth trying. And if I can make one thing easier in your life today, let it be this.